Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel. Selamat datang kembali teman-teman semua di channel sana, channel dimana kita bisa belajar apapun yang bermanfaat, terutama bahasa Inggris. Okay, now we are going to again study English speaking and listening by application. Ya, kita akan belajar lagi berbicara maupun mendengarkan percakapan bahasa Inggris dari aplikasi Cambridge 1500 Conversation. Okay, we are going to open up daily life. Okay, kita buka daily life. There are so many kinds of topics here. Number 1 until number 26. Jadi ada sekitar 26 topik tentang daily life, kehidupan sehari-hari. Okay, now saya pilih random saja tentang cleaning up the room. Number 6, cleaning up the room itu membersihkan ruangan. Okay. Now kita lihat seperti biasa, klik to listen.
Did you clean your room today?
No, not yet.
Well, when are you planning on doing that?
I'm going to clean it up later.
Didn't I ask you to clean it up earlier?
I'm going to clean it.
I want you to vacuum in your room and don't forget to dust everything.
I know. I'll do it.
Make sure you clean it before you do anything else.
I'm not going anywhere until later, so I'll clean it then.
Okay, now let's take a look. Sorry, kita lihat transkripnya atau tulisannya ya. Ini nanti kita ulang lagi. Did you clean your room today? Kamu sudah membersihkan ruangan kamu hari ini? No, not yet. Belum, kata si B. When were you planning on doing that? Kapan kamu berencana melakukan itu? Katanya ya. I'm going to clean it up later. Saya akan membersihkannya nanti, later atau later. Didn't I ask you to clean it up earlier? Bukankah aku telah menyuruhmu untuk membersihkannya sebelumnya? Kata B, I'm going to clean it. Saya akan membersihkannya. Kemudian, I want you to vacuum in your room. Saya pengen kamu vacuum cleaner, membersihkan ruangan dan disedot gitu ya. And don't forget to dust everything. Dust everything, membersihkan dari debu gitu lah ya. I know I'll do it. Saya tahu. Saya akan lakukan. Jadi kapan I know I'll do it. Itu maksudnya saya tahu. Saya akan lakukan itu. Make sure itu maksudnya yakinkan, pastikan. Make sure you clean it up. Clean it up ini biasanya dibaca cepat. Clean it up ya. Nanti kita cek lagi. Before you do anything else, sebelum kamu melakukan yang lainnya. Terakhir, I'm not going anywhere until later. Saya tidak akan pergi kemanapun sampai nanti. So I'll clean it then. Saya akan membersihkannya nanti. Oke, kita cek lagi ya. Dengan sambil mendengarkan, kita cek transkripnya ini.
Did you clean your room today?
No, not yet.
Well, when are you planning on doing that?
I'm going to clean it up later.
Didn't I ask you to clean it up earlier?
I'm going to clean it.
I want you to vacuum in your room and don't forget to dust everything.
I know. I'll do it.
Make sure you clean it before you do anything else.
I'm not going anywhere until later, so I'll clean it then.
Oke, itu dia ya. Tentang dialog cleaning up the room. Oke, tentang percakapan tentang membersihkan ruangan. Oke, itu saja. That's all for today. Mudah-mudahan bermanfaat. Saya kira assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and see you.